let's go check out this room. Oh, it's right here. I keep forgetting it's right next to the elevators.
It's all back up to dreams. We're hitting the road. New sights, fresh vibes on our own episode. City lights flashing, laughter fills the air. Moments to treasure, adventures to share. Here we go, just Adam and Lisa. Every step taken, life's a grand teaser. From coast to coast, there's always a score. Together we ride, always seeking more. If you beat, if dance on the dive with. I can be a sand tip on the dive with. If I can see smoke, so peak and toes, then you'll be.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Adam and Lisa Explore. Where are we at, Lisa?
Toronto.
Your favorite city?
My heart is here. I love Toronto.
I love Toronto too, but I'm not sure I love it as much as you. We are at the Hyatt Regency here in Toronto, where we are spending the night. Are you ready to check it out?
Yeah, I'm excited.
We'll check out the lobby, see what it looks like, and then take you guys up to the room.
Yeah, let's.
All right, let's go. After you. All right, so this is the main lobby. Look at that. Oh, look down there. They got fish. Oh, they're gone now. You can't see them. Look at that. There's fishes underneath the stairway.
Looks nice. It smells of coffee.
It's funny, I was just going to ask your first impressions on the lobby, and you just told me. It does look nice, looks really nice. So they got a Starbucks just over here. You want to go up over on these stairs, see what's up? It's like a 2-floor Starbucks, sort of. Little seating area over here by the Starbucks. We got some escalators going up to the concourse level, which are not in operation. Wonder why they're closed. Maybe. And over here is the check-in. Oh, I see another fountain. You want to go check out the other fountain? That's nice. It got fire. Oh, look at these. I like these benches. More fish? Oh, there's some more fish.
That one looks really angry.
He does. Like he's wearing eyeliner.
He looks mad.
Look at that, the fire and water. That is really nice. I like these benches. Comfy? Don't need to check into the room. We'll just sleep on the benches. I don't know if they'd appreciate that.
Why not?
Well, they might be happy if we already paid for the room. It looks like they got the lobby bar over there. I'm gonna go check that out. You'll be here? Lisa's gonna stick around and sleep there. Let's go check out the lobby bar. We got some more seating over here. And this is the exit to the where you come to check in. There's just some 15-minute parking over there. Looks like they got some tables. They probably have some bar food here. A grand piano. This one doesn't say don't play. Maybe I can play this one, but I'm not gonna. So yeah, here's the lobby bar. Some more seating over here, overlooking King Street West. Let's go see where Lisa went. Oh, there she is. She woke up. So yeah, look at it. And the lighting up here. This is nice. Here they come. So, this is the mezzanine level here at the Hyatt Regency. Have guest room elevators, floor 9 to 20. It looks like some conference rooms. Got the King Ballroom over here. Some washrooms, some more elevators. The executive boardroom. What is this? The mezzanine?
Yeah.
It's not much up here, eh? Little view. Yeah. Little view out onto King Street West. Piano. Should I bust out a tune on the piano? Oh, it says, please do not play piano. I will not play the piano. All right, so now we are on the concourse level. Look at that. They got fish in here.
I'm going to try to get out. I want food.
They hungry?
Yeah.
That's cool, just on the concourse level, right beside the stairs. The stairs go up to the main lobby. There's a conference center there. Got the Olympics playing on the wall. Check them out. Look at. I don't know if you can see them. They're kind of following us. Maybe they think we got food. There's a women's washroom over there. I don't think they see us down here. Yeah, there's the staircase.
It's pretty relaxing though.
It is relaxing. Just the sitting here. It's nice to watch fish. I always like watching
Here they
fish.
come. I haven't got any food. I'm sorry. I'm not allowed to feed you.
We're just here to watch you. And over here, got the King Street Social, which is their restaurant. Down here on the concourse level. Will they leave again? Except this one.
This one's saying, I've got rid of the rest, now give me the food, human. Give me the food, I know you're squirreled away somewhere.
So that, I think, is basically it for the concourse level. It looks pretty nice over here. And we got the bar over here. King Street Social Kitchen and Bar. It's nice down here, eh? All right, there I am. So I just got off the elevator. Lisa's in the room. Let's go check out this room. Oh, it's right here. I keep forgetting it's right next to the elevators.
Hello, Adam.
Hello! We are in the room. Don't look too far. We're gonna start with the washroom. Look, there we are. Hello! Let's take a look at this washroom. Since it's right here, that light was really bright. There's no shortage of mirrors in here. They're everywhere. I'm everywhere. Look at the shower. What do you think about the shower, Lisa?
Pretty cool.
Is it big enough? Can I get in there?
I think even you were getting that.
You got to push it in. They have a bench here. Just kidding, that's not really a bench. But you got your pharmacopoeia body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Kind of like a rainfall head there. Look, you can see me in the reflection there. I'm everywhere in here. There's lots of mirrors, eh?
There is lots of mirrors.
It's the toilet.
Some lotion on there too.
Body lotion by the sink. That's a nice sink.
It's a nice sink, did you just say?
It is a nice sink, is it not?
I guess as sinks go, it's a nice sink.
It is. Got an outlet beside the sink. The mirror, another mirror. How many mirrors are in here?
Because there's not enough in here.
I know, there's a lot of mirrors.
This door. Did you check this door out?
What is that door? Oh, it's a pocket door. It's a pocket door with a frosted window.
How cool is that?
That is pretty cool. So it doesn't take up any space in the little hallway here. There's the closet.
Ta-da!
All our stuff's in there. You got our ironing board.
You've got that hanging thing there as well.
All right, put your shoes and stuff in, eh?
Yeah.
Extra pillows, extra blanket.
Ironing board, iron. Plenty of hangers.
Lots of hangers. Especially, we're only here for one night.
Yeah, we didn't bring a lot, did we?
Got the coffee station. Is there more lights in here? Or just the lamps, eh?
There might be,
No? Anyway, we got the safe here. The safe is open. In-room safe. Haven't used it. Got the coffee station.
And they give you reusable water bottles and you can get your water where the ice machines are.
Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that before. Reusable water bottles. You can't keep them. Oh, no, you can't keep them.
No.
A charge of $6 will be added if you take one.
And coffee, more importantly.
Coffee, lots of coffee.
For me.
Black tea, coffee, dark roast.
Is that a fridge?
I don't know, we got a fridge down here.
Oh,
Oh, that's a nice fridge.
yeah.
It's got the glass door. You see what's in it? It's nice. There's no like mini bar. I don't want a mini bar.
No.
Let's check out. Look at the size of that bed. So this is the main room.
King size, that is.
Is it a king size?
It is, yes.
So we'll both fit in it.
Can you smell? It just smells so new, this room, doesn't it? Like this, the new carpet smell.
Is it different than a new car smell? A new carpet?
New car, yeah, the new carpet smells.
Maybe it is a new carpet. It looks pretty new.
It does.
I do like the headboard there with the light behind it. Again, you still get the old school phones. Still got an old school phone. Got USB port there, USB-C, 2 outlets. Little side lamp. Oh, I just shut out a light. Oh, that's the backlight for the headboard. Giant TV. That TV is really big.
That is a big TV, yeah.
You don't really see TVs that big in hotel rooms. Got a bench, set your stuff on. Some drawers underneath. Oh, I can't even open them. Not really soft close.
No.
Depends. If you close it softly, then they're soft close. A desk over here, do your work with some more outlets. Another USB-C and USB. Little desk lamp. In case you need to do some work. Any working going on in here?
Hell no.
No working going on in here.
Definitely plenty of outlets though.
There is, yes. We got,
One there, there's a couple there.
oh yeah, some more over here. Same thing, USB, USB-C.
Above the desk and under the desk. There are outlets too.
Can never have enough outlets.
I agree.
You want to check out the view?
Well,
We are on the 9th floor. So we can see a lot of other buildings.
yeah, it's not too exciting.
Yeah, it's not much of a view. Lots of condos. An alleyway. Got a view of an alleyway down there.
Gee.
We did have the option to upgrade to a higher floor.
Or a corner room.
Or a corner room for, was it an extra $10?
Was it $10? I didn't think it was too bad. But
No, that's not too bad. But I mean, we're not.
It's unwarranted for one night, I think.
Yeah, we're only here for one night. So yeah, we got this clock here too. Even the clock has more outlets on it. So if you got a lot of things to charge, you're in the right place.
Yeah.
Look at that. You gonna do a bed test?
I'm not, but you can.
I'm gonna do the bed test.
I'll probably fall off and break a leg or something.
I might fall off and break a leg too.
Yeah.
Where am I gonna go from? Over here?
Wherever you want to go from.
Can you guys still hear me?
Do you need a run up?
I do. I should probably take my shoes off.
Probably should, yes.
All right.
Which might take a while.
Oh. You ready?
Go for it.
It's the bed test. Feels all right. Time to get up. Or maybe I'll just have a nap.
Get up.
All right. Up I am. Oh, I got a shock.
Shock, I know.
You are electrifying.
Yeah. Oh.
There
What
it
do you
is.
think?
What do I think? Let's save that for the outro.
Okay.
All right, guys. So that is it from the Hyatt Regency Toronto on King Street West. Overall thoughts? What did you think?
I liked it. I liked it because it's a nice hotel, clean, fairly quiet to be fair, considering where it is. It
Yeah.
wasn't too noisy, and our room was right by the elevators, and we didn't hear anything.
Yeah, I didn't hear any elevators.
No, I do like it. Can't say I slept particularly well.
No, I didn't sleep well at all. I don't know if it was the bed. You guys saw the bed test. It looked comfy. But
Yeah.
I didn't sleep good.
It's quite a hard mattress on there, and the pillows were comfortable. You had two pillows that really you don't need any more than
You
that.
had you had a soft pillow and then a pillow that weighed about 40 pounds.
Yeah.
It was so heavy, the
Yeah.
one pillow. I don't know why.
But certainly me not sleeping well, that's not a hotel problem, that's a me problem. So I'm not going to mark it down for that. I really liked it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the location. But
Yes.
really just a short walk down to the CN Tower, isn't it?
Couple blocks to the CN Tower, couple blocks to Queen Street West,
Yeah.
Nathan Phillips Square.
Yeah.
A really good location.
And parking is $40 we paid.
In and out privileges.
In and out privileges, and it's also for 24 hours. So we checked out at 11 today. We don't have to leave the car park until 4. But
That
as you
is
can
good.
see, we're on our way now, heading back to Niagara Falls. So I didn't think, for where it was, that $40 was too bad.
No.
We are only staying one night. If you were staying for a few nights, then that obviously would become more expensive. But for a one night stay, that's pretty good.
And Alan, I think that was the guy that checked us in. Really nice.
Yeah.
Super nice guy. Shout out to Alan.
Absolutely.
$10 upgrade if you want. To a higher floor or a corner king room.
Yeah.
We did not take
I was
that.
happy
but
with our room. No, I don't think we needed
the view wasn't that great, but
any
that's
special.
fine.
Not for one night. If we were staying longer, then maybe
Yes.
we might have got an upgrade. But for $10, that's not bad.
Not bad at all. Shall we head out?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
All right. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. Check all. So you get notified when we post some videos.
For sure.
And
Thanks for watching.
yes, thank you for watching. We will see you guys soon. Ciao.
See ya.
It's all back up to dreams. We're hitting the road. New sights, fresh vibes on our own episode. City lights flashing, laughter.